Get ready for major changes in life. As major planets Jupiter and Saturn turn retrograde. The major planets Jupiter and Saturn will be in retrograde for 114 days, June 20th to October 11th, impacting your fortune, money, and career. Jupiter will be in retrograde motion in the sign Aquarius, the 11th house of gains, and Saturn is retrograde in Capricorn, the 10th house of career. According to Vedic texts, the planets are capable of bestowing good results during their retrograde period. Make use of these 114 days when the fortune planet Jupiter and career planet Saturn are in retrograde to reassess, strategize, refocus, and progress in your career and financial goals. What happens during Jupiter-Saturn retrograde? Jupiter-Saturn retro helps reassess, review, and refocus. Retrograde Jupiter and Saturn can increase your confidence levels and enable you to review your past efforts to enjoy progress and success in all walks of life, especially exponential growth in spirituality. This is the time to stay motivated to improve key areas of life. Even though problems may arise, the Jupiter-Saturn duo can help you accept challenges and face them with confidence. Retrograde Jupiter and Saturn can help you refocus on priorities, set realistic goals, and make you work towards them in this period. The duo also aids in identifying hidden capabilities and boosts your personality to achieve personal and professional goals. How does Jupiter in retrograde impact you? Jupiter tends to lead you towards growth and success. Jupiter, the planet of dharma, truth, and righteousness, during retrograde, helps revisit your past mistakes and see the positives in your life. Solutions and innovation are possible, as it is in the sign of Aquarius. The most intense sign Aquarius is also known as the sign of aspirations. The combined energy of the sign and retrograde Jupiter can bring a new perspective to overcome any crisis, gain clarity, and help achieve your goals. Overall, during this period, Jupiter makes you accept challenges, transform, and progress. How does Saturn in retrograde impact you? Saturn can be called a mighty organizing ultimatum as it exercises control and brings restructuring in life. The career planet, Saturn, during retrograde makes you push harder towards career goals and helps you meet your timelines. Retrograde Saturn can help find new avenues of opportunities. Overall, during this period, Saturn makes you refocus on your career goals and execute actions towards positive transformation. How can you capitalize on 114 days of Jupiter and Saturn retrogression? Saturn retrogrades in its own sign Capricorn, and Jupiter turns retrograde in Aquarius, the sign ruled by Saturn. The placement of these two major planets together in a retrograde movement for 114 days from 20th June 2021 can help you accumulate good karma, accept challenges, strategize, and achieve your life dreams. In Vedic astrology, the houses ruled by Jupiter and Saturn are called dharma, truth, and karma, action. Together, these big planets in retrograde motion can help you re-examine and re-evaluate yourself. Set career and financial goals. Get rid of procrastination and laziness. Revisit all the positive events that happened in your life. Be disciplined and regular in whatever you do. Realize the value of money. Prioritize your work and save energy. Align with truth and focus on the right things. Identify the purpose of life and act in a dharmic, righteous way. Accumulate good karma by doing good acts.